everyone and welcome to JustKetoUK. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make cavatelli pasta. And please, if it's your first time to watch my videos, please subscribe, comment and share. So to make this homemade pasta you're going to need flour and water. You see here, semolari macinato di grano duro. This is the flour they're going to use to make this homemade pasta. Wow. So when the pasta is ready?
It is ready now.
Mm-hmm.
It is actually ready.
So it's actually ready, isn't it?
It is ready because it's easy to shape it. So, yeah.
So it's ready.
Keep the shape.
The dough was a bit soft, so she add more flour because we need the good texture to make the cavatelli pasta. Wow, this is so beautiful. I really love to make homemade pasta. I'm currently trying a recipe for a ketogenic pasta and I'm going to upload the video soon on my YouTube channel. Alright, they say that is ready now. The pasta is ready. You see, the pasta needs to be a bit, not too much soft and not too much hard. Wow. So how many grams? This is about 1.5 kilos. So it's for a lot of people. Alright, so you have to put a bit of flour in the plates. And now she's going to start to make cavatelli pasta. Look here. Wow. She's going to shape the pasta. I don't know how many people they still make pasta at home. I think that not that much, isn't it? Especially, I think in Italy they still make homemade pasta. Yeah, I think in Italy they still make. But it's not easy, you know. Is it orecchiette?
Orecchiette. No, this is not it.
Oh, it's cavatelli. Yeah, it's different.
Other parts in the country do orecchiette.
Oh, alright. Yeah.
Do handmade.
Yeah. So with the same dough you can make orecchiette as well?
I think so.
Oh, okay. Wow, look here. So beautiful. I like this type of pasta shape because it absorbs the sauce a lot. Trust me, a lot. So you can use it to make your pesto pasta or tomato sauce pasta or wherever. So yeah, then you carry on like that until you're going to finish that dough. So yeah, it's very hard job, but it's worth it. It's so delicious. So here I'm cutting the cavatelli. So I'm using also this tool to make the cavatelli pasta, to make another type of shape of cavatelli. So we already make a lot of them. So in two we can finish this to make this pasta very quick, about 1.5 hours. And the amount of this pasta is for 10 people. The results of cavatelli pasta, we make a lot of type of shapes. So look here how much we get. So amazing. I love this type of pasta. Of course it's not keto friendly, but it's so beautiful to learn how to make it. So yeah, I'm so happy for this experience. And to make homemade pasta you have to use a lot of flour, so you have to sprinkle a bit of flour on top of the pasta to prevent the pasta to stick together. This homemade pasta should not be made the day before because it risks becoming too hard and not very digestible. The cavatelli pasta is going to cook with a lot of water, sea salt, a bit of sea salt and olive oil to prevent to stick together. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.